Find the zeros of the polynomials in each of the following cases. If you observe, what is the difference between polynomial value and its zero of the polynomial? What is the polynomial value and what is zero of the polynomial? Yesterday we discussed very detailedly, right? I have given you many examples. What is polynomial value? What is variable value? What is zero of the polynomial, right? Tell me. Okay. Read it 2 times silently. Then after we shall by heart this. We'll shout like a primary class children. Then only you will remember them. Otherwise, no. Make it fast. I told you to learn all these things, but you did not, right? Make it fast. Value of a polynomial is the value which we get when we substitute in place of variable. And zero of polynomial nothing but the value of a variable which makes the value of polynomial is zero. Okay? Did you get? Just start it.
Is the value which we get when we substitute in place of variable. Zero of the polynomial. The value of variable which makes the value of polynomial is zero. Value of a polynomial is the value which we get when we substitute in place of variable. Zero of the polynomial. The value of variable which makes the value of polynomial is zero. Substitute.
The value of variable which makes the value of polynomial is zero. Next.
Value of a polynomial is the value which we get when we substitute in place of variable. Zero of polynomial. The value of variable which makes the value of polynomial is zero. Value of a polynomial is the value which we get when we substitute in place of variable. Zero of polynomial. The value of variable which makes the value of polynomial is zero.
Did you understand now? Any 10 value of polynomial and 5 zero of polynomial questions. Right? Then solutions. Right there. Solutions are just only 5 now. Okay, only up to 10. Take only 5. Okay. Very clearly you have to write. You must write first definition of value of polynomial. Okay. Then create 5 questions. Then write their solutions. Okay. And then next zero of polynomial definition. and question its solution. Every one should create different questions. Okay, otherwise shall I make a group? Okay, I'll give you the groups. Let us prepare the rough work for this. I'll make the groups. Okay, right. Example 2, P of x is given. How much is given? P of x is equals to 3x plus 1 is given. Right? He asked you us to find 0 of a polynomial. So how do we find? We know how to find value of polynomial. And 0 of polynomial, when we substitute the variable value in the given polynomial, if it becomes 0, then we say it is a 0 of a polynomial. But we did not know how to find 0 of a polynomial by solving, right? So we can find which value if we put in this polynomial, then we get the 0 of a polynomial. A value substitute చేస్తే మనకి 0 అవుతుందో ముందే ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. అర్థమైందా? అర్థమవుతుందా చెప్పింది? ఏం చెప్పాను నేను? ఏ వేరియబుల్ ఉన్నటువంటి polynomial లో ఏ వేరియబుల్ ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే మనకు వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ 0 వస్తుందో అది 0 ఆఫ్ ది polynomial కదా. ఆ వేరియబుల్ వాల్యూ అంటే ఏ వాల్యూని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే మనకు అది 0 తో ముందే తెలుసుకోవచ్చు. ఎట్లా? By finding its 0 of the polynomial. ఎట్లా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తామంటే simply solving is nothing but finding the variable value. In this question, finding the x value, finding the x value or given variable values is nothing but solution or solving. Okay, right? Find 0 of P of x is equals to 3x plus 1. We need to solve it. Solve it is nothing but that is we need to make P of x is equals to 0. P of what is P of x? P of 3x plus 1 is equals to. Okay. Now transpose this one this side. What it becomes? 3x equals to 0 minus 1. Okay. Clear? Yes, sir. 3x 0 is equals to 0 minus 1. Now what it becomes? 3x is equals to. The next step, transpose 3. What it becomes? Minus 1/3. Clear? X is equals to minus 1/3. Now the thing is, see, in the previous case we learned what we learned, which the variable value makes the polynomial value as 0. That x value or that variable value is called 0 of the polynomial, right? See, substitute this x minus 1/3 in this polynomial. Now, wait, now make it fast. Substitute this x is equals to minus 1/3 in this given polynomial. What you get? Let me know. Make it fast. In each of the following, give two solutions. Okay. Look at that fifth one. F of x is equals to x square. See, fifth one. So say find 0 of the polynomial we need to solve f of x is equals to x square. Solving is nothing but taking equal to 0. That is f of x is equals to 0. And this f of x is nothing but how much? X square is equals to 0. If you transpose this square to this, it becomes 0 power 1/2, which gives x is equals to 0 1. Okay. X is equals to 2 zeros we need to get because 2 zeros we have, right? X square is nothing but is a quadratic polynomial, right? Okay. The degree is 2. It is called quadratic. So just degree is 2. We need to have 2 zeros. Degree is 1. We need to have only 1 zero. If degree 3, we get 3 zeros. Okay. Degree and zeros relationship. That is the relationship between degree and its zeros. What is the degree we are having? That many zeros we have. Okay. Remember that thing and take note if possible. Yes, no. 0, 0 is a 0. Okay. No, 0, 0. Nana? 0 పైన 1/2 ఉంది కదా 1 ఉంటది ఉన్నా కూడా ఏమవుతుంది ఎనీథింగ్ the power of 0 anything is nothing but 0 only. Okay, actually we can write this like this. We can write root 0 it becomes root 0 or 1/2. Okay. Nana? Look at very simple. Make it fast. That's a general polynomial. Make it fast. Of the intelligence, right? So make it habitate. What is the next one? F of x is equals to px plus q,
If p is not equal to 0, pq are real numbers.
okay, right? So same p of x plus q is equals to 0.
Sir, it is not equal to 0, sir.
Yeah, we need to make it equal solving, right? To find zeros, 0 of px plus q, we need to solve it. That is, solving is nothing but taking equal to 0. Okay. Transpose this q that side. So it becomes px is equals to 0 minus q. Plus q becomes minus q if you transpose, right? And px is equals to minus q. X is equals to minus q by okay. That's it, huh? This minus q by p is the 0 of this polynomial. That's it. Yeah, okay, Nana. Online children, bye. We'll meet you in the tomorrow offline. Yeah, please come to school tomorrow and send the attendance on Sharanya and Jagruti.